Good day, amazing scientists. It's your favorite sensei here, Sensei Maha, and I hope you all are doing good. I'm doing good as always. So now today we are going to be dealing with a past paper question. We will also be doing Euclidean geometry, similar to the previous video. So if you have not yet watched the previous video where we were proving something similar to this, the theorem 5, we were proving exterior angles of a triangle or of a cyclic quad. So make sure you watch that video first before coming to this one. So if you have not yet subscribed to the channel, please do so right now. Please subscribe and be part of the family. And also don't forget to share this video, to press the thumbs up button, comment in the comment section, and I hope you enjoy this lesson. So let's get straight into it. So now question 6 says, in the diagram below, O is the center. So O is the center. So AP, ABP, okay, on the circumference. So now this is not the cyclic quad because you can see that we only have 3 points on the circumference. Arc AB, so AB is an arc, which is this, an arc, subtends AOB, so this is an arc, this part, so O is the center of the circle and AP is ABP are on the, okay, so they're saying this one is the circumference. So prove the theorem which states AOB, which is this triangle, this angle, it's twice this angle. So now, how are we going to do this? Erase here. So now, the first thing that we need to do. So now, this is a circle. This is, yes, it's a circle, it's not a cyclic quad, unfortunately. But let's do this first. So we construct a line. So we need to also put it in our results that we construct a line that cuts through P and O. So we construction line PO. We join them. We join O and P. So now that we join them, you can see now that this is a triangle, 2 triangles. We have this triangle. Let me change the color. We have this triangle here, and then we also have this triangle here. So now, for us to prove this, we can use a variety of these theorems, but I am gonna use the basic one, which is the most simplest ones, so that you can understand it better. So I won't try to do extreme things. So now that this is even though it's a scalene triangle, but then, okay, no, it's not a scalene basically. So now we have OP, which is this line. It's a radius. We have AO, it's also a radius because of O is the center. So we have AO is the radius. We also have OB, which is the radius. So now that all of these 3 are now radius, they are equal. So now you can see that now this makes up an isosceles triangle. So basically this side OB is equals to this side, which basically makes these 2 angles here and here equal. And also, let me choose another color, orange. This side here and this angle here are equal because of this isosceles triangle. So that is the first part. Please don't forget to do this. If you don't write that you constructed a line PO, you joined PO, definitely they are gonna give you an incorrect answer, or they're gonna penalize you, because of you need to make sure you clarify. Okay, I constructed this line, hence why this and this and this is a it's a radius. Ne? Make sure you write it down. So now, basically, again we need to prove now. Let's just say this is P1, this is P2. Ne? So we basically need to prove that P1 plus P2, both of them are twice equal to, let's say, oh, this is O1, this is O2. So and then basically, because of we constructed this line, it divided this angles say equally. So we have A1, A2, we have O1 and O2. Ne? So we will have O1 and O2. So it's due to this line that we constructed. It divided them equally. You can say that this line is the radius. Ne? So now we are basically proving this. Ne? So how are we gonna come up here to this point? So now let's go to this triangle APOB. Ne? So in triangle POB, ne? Okay, P2, ne? It's equals to angle B. Ne? They are equal because of it's an isosceles triangle. So now basically we can also say, okay, since now we are looking for this exterior angle, let's just try to also do it here. You know, exterior angle is equal to the sum of two opposite interior. So you know that O2 must be equal to P2 plus B, because of it's the exterior angle of a triangle. So basically here we can say that O2 is twice P2, ne? Because of that equal, because of it's slightly equal. Sorry, it's an isosceles triangle. Ne? So basically we are gonna do more or less the same step on this other triangle, this one. So in triangle POA, we know that P1 and P2. So you can basically say isosceles triangle or opposite or angles opposite but subtended by the radius. Ne? So it's A, and because of it's an isosceles triangle, we basically will just note down this for the radius. We have radius which is OP and BO. Ne? So isosceles triangle. So now we also will do that with the exterior angle. So O1 equals to P1 plus A because of their exterior angles. So we know that we can just basically do this P1 plus P1, ne? Which is just twice of P1, which is O1. Ne? So now here, let's continue. So now here, ne? We have found O1, that it is twice of P1, ne? And also we have found that O2 is twice of P2. We know that O1 and O2 are basically this whole angle AOB. Basically, if we do it like this, we know that is O1. So basically, we know that AOB, this whole angle, it equals to twice of P1 plus twice of P2. But we know that P1 and P2 are this angle, the whole angle of P, this one. Okay? So basically we know that it is twice of angle APB. So basically we have proved it. Okay? We have proved it. Basically that's how we do it. So remember, the first thing, construction. Construction is very important. It's the key to you doing this thing. Right? So basically the first thing you have to do is construction. Then from construction you will find out, okay, we have a radius, we have a radius, we have a radius. So this radius, they divide this angle to be an isosceles and the other one an isosceles, and then basically you use the rules, that the grade 9 rules basically for isosceles, triangle, and also the exterior angles of a triangle. So I had fun doing this lesson with you, and I hope you all enjoyed the lesson too. Don't forget to press the like button, subscribe, share the video as much as you can, and also comment in the comment section if you have anything. You may have a query, you may just make sure you comment or just hit us up on our WhatsApp at 081-537-9527 and our email at valetbradacademy@gmail.com. It's also in the bio. So make sure you hit us up if you have any query. So unfortunately for today, we have reached the end of the lesson, and I hope you all enjoyed the lesson too. So from me, your favorite sensei, it's a wrap, and peace out. Signing out.